Stop saying these 5 things or she will leave you. Good evening and welcome back. Words have power. And in relationships, the wrong words can cause cracks. Cracks that may grow into something bigger. If you feel your connection slipping, if she seems distant, it might not be because of what you're doing, but because of what you're saying. Today, we're going to role-play 5 common phrases that can destroy attraction, and I'll give you powerful replacements that rebuild trust, connection, and love. Get ready, because this is going to change the way you communicate. Number 1. You're always. Role-play scenario.
You're always so negative. Can't you see the good things in life?
I'm just having a bad day. Why are you always so critical?
This phrase is poison. It's an attack, not a conversation. By saying you're always, you generalize, you accuse, and she feels unfairly judged. Confident alternative. I noticed you seemed upset today. What's going on? I'm here to listen. Why does this work? Because it shows empathy. It opens the door for connection instead of closing it with judgment. Number 2. I need space.
I need some space right now. I can't deal with this.
What does that mean? Are you leaving?
When you say, I need space, she hears rejection. She feels abandoned, insecure, and fears you are pulling away. Confident alternative. I'm feeling overwhelmed. Can we take a short break and talk about this later? See the difference? You're still asking for a pause, but without threatening the relationship. You're saying, I need a breather, but I'm still here with you. Number 3. You never.
You never listen to me. It's like talking to a wall.
That's not true. I listen, but you never tell me what you really think.
You never is an accusation. It's dismissive, and it erases all the times she actually did listen. She feels unappreciated and shut down. Confident alternative. I feel like we could communicate better. Can we work on listening to each other more? That's not blame. That's partnership. You're inviting her into a team effort, and teamwork builds attraction. Number 4. I don't know.
I don't know what you want from me. You're so confusing.
I've been trying to tell you, but you never listen.
I don't know might sound harmless, but it comes across as dismissive, like you're not even trying to understand. Confident alternative. I want to understand you better. Can you help me by being more specific about what you need? That's engagement. That's effort. And effort is what keeps attraction alive. Number 5. Whatever.
Whatever. Do whatever you want.
Why are you being so dismissive? Don't you care?
Whatever is indifference, and indifference kills attraction faster than anger. It makes her feel unloved, unimportant, invisible. Confident alternative. I'm open to your ideas. Let's find a solution that works for both of us. See? That's engagement. That's partnership. That's love in action. So, let's recap. The 5 toxic phrases to avoid. You're always, I need space, you never, I don't know, and whatever. Replace them with empathy. Replace them with partnership. Replace them with words that show love, and attraction will grow stronger. Remember, communication is a two-way street. The words you choose can either build a bridge or burn it down. Thank you for watching. If this video gave you value, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more content on relationships, attraction, and personal growth. And remember, attraction isn't lost overnight, but with the right words, spoken with the right intention, it can be rebuilt stronger than ever. Go out there and make your relationship unshakable.